Today I've got the December scrawler box. I'm gonna open it up and see what we get. This one's had a bit of a rough journey. So right off the bat I'm seeing metallics, which is wonderful because I love shiny things. So the first thing is these Faber-Castell Metallic, I'm assuming paint markers? Made in Germany. Yeah, looks like we've got a gold and a silver paint pen, our menu, our candy. We've got some Derwent 6 fine art pencils. Oh, these are gorgeous. They come in the colors rose gold, pink 17, purple 15, pewter 2, green 11, and ice blue. Alright, so far I think my favorites are the blue, I'm gonna say rose gold, and the pink. I don't normally use metallic colored pencils. We've got, oh god, this is hefty! We've got a little ruler, little copper ruler? Yeah, we've got a little copper ruler by Derwent. Man, this thing is hefty. Like, it weighs a lot more than I would have thought. And the scrawler box sticker, it's nice and copper colored as well. And our paper, Paint Multi-Technique Noir. Uh-oh. Oh, it's black paper. Oh no. Oh, we are not gonna get along. I've never really drawn on black paper, and the few times I have, it's been a disaster. It has been years. Oh, it's 115 pound. Ooh. Yeah, there's only 8 pages in this thing. Like, this stuff is thick. Oh, they went geometric with it. That is really pretty. Who's the artist? Mirella Duta. I'm gonna be honest, these supplies are not my forte. This one's gonna be challenging. So December, what I'm assuming our prompt is squared away. These are metallic markers. Works best on bright, dark, and colored paper, as well as plastic. This says that these are water soluble. The solid copper ruler is perfect companion for your drawing supplies, being made from solid copper. Part of this is saying that this is antibacterial, which, fun fact, copper, brass, and bronze are super antibacterial, and hospitals used to have copper, brass, bronze doorknob. It used to be a germ control. Metallics, heart of gold. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, wow. Ooh, that is shiny. This one is called Nothing Else Metals, which is such a great pun. Those are beautiful. This is ice blue. Rose gold. Pewter. Also is showing up really good. And green. What's that called? Squared away. Oh, I need to test them with water. I need to grab my ugly water cup. I wouldn't say that these are watercolor. I guess it said watercolor though. I don't think these are water soluble because this isn't really. Okay, well, that's a bust. My hopes were high. Maybe a little bit of the pigment comes off, but not really like enough to really think that I'm watercoloring. There's a little bit. There's a little bit of pigment that came off, but this did not dissolve very well. Purple did the best. This is like a New Year's box, and these are kind of reminding me of like those disco dance floors. So I kind of want to draw someone at a club. It's fine. Just a sketch. These also don't erase the best. I've discovered a flaw in my plans. Alright, well, I definitely have just learned that I can't draw how I normally would, because I don't have a black color or a dark color to make the line art. Although this metallic pen is working pretty good for lining. So I might use this. Too bad these are all kind of warm tone, otherwise it'd be fun for like a Tron inspired Do I have to color the shadows first? Just build up the color that way, maybe? Oh, maybe since I have a lot more pigment now, maybe the watercolor will work a little? I'd really like if I could just blend these out and... No. It's weird, they kind of dissolve some of the pigment, but only some of it. I guess now's a good time to... Good news, these are waterproof. I think there is a chance I might cheat and introduce a black marker, which is the same as the paper. Just pretend that I'm good enough at thinking ahead that I can leave stuff blank on purpose. I'm definitely normally a gold girl, but the silver is really pretty. Oh, it's wet. This is just a sketch, so it's fine. That's the extent of me drawing a circuit board from memory. I'm gonna have to think, because I just wanted to draw like a party girl, and now I don't know if I can draw a character. I haven't used these kind of things in years. I think I had a novelty set back when I was in like middle school, and I think I had a pad of black paper in elementary school because gel pens were a thing. Gel pens show up really good on black paper. I think that's the last time I ever used black paper. I've used toned paper, like one that's like a gray or medium brown or a beige, but this is new territory. I don't know if I like it. May as well add a couple squares. This is a really good ruler. I like it. Alright, introducing a black pen is a game changer. Just pretend it's me thinking far enough in advance that I can leave spots blank. Yeah, and a Posca layers really well too. I would expect nothing else from a paint pen. Alright, I think I can make this work. This person drew bubbles! That's so cool! Look at those! I don't want to draw bubbles. Alright, I'm gonna try drawing bubbles. They've got blue and a circle. I'll do a couple of these just because. Then we've got a goldy color, so I'll use rose gold. And then I've got a pink. Just sort of start shading stuff. Okay. Alright, that's about the extent of what I'm going to put into this, but interesting. Interesting. Bubbles. Alright, well, that one was fun. I guess I'm going to move on to another one. This is really nice paper. It's a shame it's black paper because it's so thick and takes media really well, but I just don't foresee really using this stuff ever again in the future. I want to sketch in pewter. It doesn't turn out amazing. I'm not going to beat myself up over it. These are not my standard supplies. And then I'm going to cheat, and if I need to, I'm going to use a Posca. There, rough body. I mean, I guess if we're at the club, I want some big earrings. I don't know what people wear to the club. Okay, yeah. Bangs here. want the shirt to be pink, as much as I can make it. So I'm just going to lay down a light coating. I think I want the skirt to be pink as well. Go over it just a little more. I want her backlit, kinda. I know when it comes time to do the face, I'm not gonna have her backlit at all. And then, where's rose gold? A few pops of highlight. Maybe a little purple? My secret technique. You don't know what you're doing? Just add color everywhere. What's the worst that can happen? Can I add... Oh, yes. Okay. That shows up really good. Alright. Yeah, I'm trying to use the purple as a little bit of a shading because it's a colder color. So I'm hoping that it kind of is coming across a little bit as like the low light and this coming across as a highlight. Because usually warmer colors come towards you, cooler colors recede into the distance. I think it's working. Do the skirt. Gosh, this rose gold is the MVP of this pack. I like the rose gold the best. It's just such a beautiful color. Now what about her skin? Bring some really bright pops to the nose. Add in purple for the shadow. So I'd gotten away from it for a few years, and I'm kind of going back, but I used to shade everything very intensely with a bunch of rainbow colors, and then over the years I moved away from that, and I would just one shade, medium shade, darker shade, and it makes your art look a little bit more flat, and I knew it was doing that to mine, but I just didn't care. But recently I've started trying to push my color palette more when I'm shading, using brighter colors, different colors, don't just go like a beige, a darker beige, darkest beige. And I've been having a lot more fun, and I've been a lot happier with my stuff lately. I'm putting the blue down so I can layer it a bit more with the purple and the pink. We're getting somewhere. We're getting through the ugly phase. Okay. I know the scrawlrbox challenge is to only use what's in the box, but I also want my stuff to look good, you know? It's about the journey, but it's also kind of the destination, too. Yeah, I like where we're ending up. And then I do want to take some inspiration, so the background, I'm gonna try to make look kind of like this one a little bit, just with the squares and some of them lit up. Do some bright pink on the shoulder up here, purple. This is mostly just so that I don't lose where I'm at. I don't really know what to do for the hair, but I like the idea of just leaving it black with a couple pops of color. I'm going to outline it in gold and try and add just a few little highlights here and there. few pops of hot pink. I want the scrunchie to be blue. Then I'm gonna do a little cleanup work with the black, and then I'm gonna do the background. So I want like this area to be black. Give her a bracelet. Let's do some background. Oh my god, this thing is so cold. Alright, we're gonna do some big squares because I don't have the patience for small ones. What did I say I wanted to do? I wanted to do the pinks? I wanted to do the pinks. I will say, I do like this ruler. I'm so confused why they included it as an art supply, but it is a really nice ruler. I'm trying not to go too crazy on the background, but I also know that I want to color a lot of these in, but I'm trying to be a little minimalistic about it. Here. Oh, it blends in with the scrunchie I wasn't thinking. I want a bright gold couple of lines. So I want this one to be in front of her a little bit. Behind a little bit. Alright, and I think that we are done. I do like how this one turned out. It was a bit of a struggle because working on black paper is not something I have ever really done other than like middle school, elementary school using gel pens. So this was definitely a bit of a learning curve for me. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!